Так, я попрошу Николая Птицына, компания Synesis.
Nikolai Ptitsin from Synesis will tell us how video improves business of our organizations. Well, to respect our organizers and guests, I will speak English as well.
Hello, so I'm Nikolai, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Synesis. I'm going to talk about a project codenamed Persei that, as we believe, will make a revolution in manufacturer productivity. So today, enterprise video is everywhere. Companies have invested billions of dollars in video surveillance, but it's used mostly for security applications. So a lot of video is wasted without any analysis. But at the same time, video hides a lot of valuable data. It contains information about company business processes that can be useful for quality assurance, key performance indicators, marketing, and training. And at the moment, this video is not used outside the security office. This video is not integrated with ERP systems, with CRM and content management systems. And this video is not available on our mobile devices and browsers. We believe we have a solution. The value of proposition of Persei is that it helps manufacturers to achieve operational excellences by transforming traditional CCTV into powerful management tool for staff productivity and quality assurance. The patent pending technology behind this concept is that we combine video surveillance cameras with a touchpad device to bring information together for managers, for HR personnel, for QA engineers, and company employees can work together to optimize the production process or the business process. For example, a factory worker will start his working day by touching the touchpad, selecting the task he was assigned, and the video will record all the information related to the tasks or operations he performs. And at the same time, the manager, who would normally access such a report, including graphs and diagrams, will be able to view the video instantly, which is related to operations, products produced by this company, employees, and all this video data will be well structured and indexed. Our competitions, at the moment, the playfield is quite empty. We cannot see a direct competitor, but obviously they come from any of these corners. We believe that we are quite strong with our patent portfolio. Over 10 patent pending inventions is behind this technology. And also, Synesis is about to create a video analytics marketplace for enterprises. So we have developed our own analytics models, which are already used in retail and in security, for example, with Mosque Underground. And these analytics models will also feed data to the analytics system we are delivering. The market size is quite significant. It includes business intelligence, video content analytics, and video surveillance as a service. We feel that in 5 years, that's going to be $500 million, and we would like to target the revenue of $50 million in 2007. We have started working with 2 customers. These customers are already paying Synesis, and the first customer is in building, in construction, and the second customer is in oil and gas. So the business model is software as a service. We also extended with the customization fee and App Store business model when we charge a commission on third-party IP sold through the platform. And the distribution models are mixed. So we are making direct sales to the end users, to the manufacturers, and at the same time we have an established network of system integrators partners already selling Synesis products in security and in retail. And the first contract has been signed this year. The management is quite experienced. There were 2 exits last year, so we sold businesses, and now we focus on Persei. My team has hired over 250 people in the last 3 years and developed commercial products. And these products and services have been sold to multi-billion companies. And so what is the opportunity for a collaboration? We think that we have a very elegant product creating a new multi-billion market. We believe that our team is very efficient and solid, and as they have already delivered successful products. We have a very strong patent portfolio, both in Russia and internationally. So all our patent applications can be extended to the territories we choose to go to. And we are self-sufficient in Russia, so we have sufficient revenue, and we apply for grants to complete the R&D and to deploy these systems with the Russian customers. But at the same time, we feel that we need a third party to help us to grow this business globally. We need a global sales director. We need some funding to build the sales network. And we would like to work with partners from different industries that will help us to address the markets which are not currently accessible, primarily because we have no industry expertise in these markets. So thank you very much for your attention. I would like to welcome your questions.
Спасибо, Николай.
Thank you, Nikolai. Questions, please.
To ask about the competition, you've mentioned there is no direct competition, but in the security, for example, in security industry, there is a lot of competition doing more or less similar things. From what I understand, you are somewhat unique in the process monitoring and integration with ERPs or whatever, with business process software. Could you tell me which ERPs or which business process you're already operating in? You mentioned oil and gas.
And construction. That's the industries we have started with. So, as we discovered, there is a significant gap between security video surveillance system and enterprise video surveillance system, which is used on an everyday basis. So, with the security system, so the product are designed to help the security team to fight the crime, to prevent fraud. And the rules and the regulations are quite strict. So there is no infrastructure to integrate this video with the company business process. There is no way to deliver this video content to all employees in different locations. And in fact, that requires designing a totally new products. Although our competitors can recycle their technology in video transmission or in video analytics, it is quite difficult to change the architecture of the system. Yeah? So our architecture and the analytics models are tailored for company managers to support their decisions. Whereas our competitors have the analytics models originally designed for security applications.
But with what business process software are you already integrated with? Like many companies use SAP, to run their businesses, so they would need obviously your solution to be somewhat integrated with SAP.
There is a plan to integrate with SAP, with Microsoft Dynamics, with 1C solutions. But for the initial products, for the starting projects, we decided to make a standalone system which will be self-sufficient. This system will address the problems which were given by us by the customer. So it will solve the QA problem, the HR motivation problems, but we will not spend time and resources on system integration. Then after this first deployment, we will see a better picture what are the integration priorities. But there is a very well defined API and SDKs to do such an integration system.
I respect our guests, but I'll speak Russian. Please tell me, who is the end user of your product? Who needs it? End users are organizations that are manufacturers, first of all. Yes, who in those organizations will actually use your software? Yes. The main users will be mid-level management, quality assurance, technological units, those who are responsible for processes, cost reduction. Very often we see interest in higher levels of management. They don't have convenient solutions for their tablets to check or just to see what is actually happening at a remote enterprise or in a remote branch. What are the problems that they face actually, locally? This system will help him see what is actually happening. You have data in your enterprise level system. You will see figures, but there you will have a link which you can click and see not only the figures, but the picture of what is happening. Thank you. Thank you, Nikolai Ptitsin, Synesis.